Hello, my name is Ashish. I'm an educator for the physics and the math subject. I'm teaching international students from the last 7 years. So I teach to the IB board, IGC board, AP board, and A level, AS level. So usually I interact with these students for math and the physics subject. I provide the personal tutoring, include the personal demand or what the parents are requesting for us. So we interact and we figure it out together with the parents. Now, the thing is how we interact with the students are. It is one-to-one interaction only, obviously. I take the classes on the Zoom. So on the Zoom, we had a feature of the NOTA so that the student can in the real time, they can write it on my screen, or there is a whiteboard so that I can check it out the real time what the student is thinking about the question. Let's suppose I had the physics question, I upload it over there in the whiteboard, and the student can able to see that, and the student able to solve on the whiteboard, and we can give the real feedback at that time only. Oh, this is not the right way to approach to that, you should change your approach, or you can improve that with this method. Yeah, basically you can fast forward that. So we provide that personalized tutoring to that. So that mention means according to the requirement, or according to the understanding of the student how they think it, because each student have their thinking and the learning abilities are different from, so that we take care of that one. And that for check the progress of the student, each after each of the class we give the assignment, we share the notes of the students, and we provide the recorded lecture to the each of the student. So if they requested, yeah, something, so we have the access for that one also, they can record the session from their side, so to check that one. And for every class we give the assignment, so the student have to be submit before coming to the next class, so that we can check the progress of the student by looking at that and where they need the improvement is. And now my expectation from the parents are, when an parents contact to me, please first, please give me the some brief idea of the past history of the student, how much the student is able to score, and how much the marks in general that they are getting right now. It's average student, above average and something, so we can get a fair idea how to interact and at what level the student is. Obviously after 1 month we are in the better position to comment and how the pinpoint the student is, where the student is, what the progress of that going on, and how we can improve that one. But initially when they approach, so you had to give some reference to. So we are in the good position to say about the student, or when we sit it in front of the student first time. The student in the first class, they hesitate, yeah, something to interact with that. So we have that's why we required some annotate or interactive way to the student to deal with that. So especially the math and the physics are required some assignment, or the should be submitted by the student, so to check the progress of that. We require that one. So in that, I request to the parents to keep on checking the progress of the student in the Google Classroom or on the WhatsApp, that the student is submitting that homework or not. So you can guide me what the topic is. Even we can keep on asking the student in the class also what the topic is going on, any type, any kind of the test is coming or the assignment is coming, so we can help with the student with that one also. So that's the thing is, so right now is, so let me end this for a positive note. You can come as you are and become who you want to be. That's the with the positive note. Have a good day. Thank you.